I said good morning, but it's definitely not the morning. It's noon. Yesterday we got home, or we fell asleep at 3 a.m. because we went out with friends. So let's say it's been a slow morning over here. Also, my glasses are changing to my sunglasses and it's the first time that I'm seeing them. Do you like them? Yeah, it's fun. So now we're walking to Lula, of course, to grab some bagels and coffee. And then we have some errands to run before we have a bingo night tonight with friends. Guys, I ate my bagel and I didn't even show you. But it was the same thing you've seen. The avocado delight, add tomato, no crunchy chili crunch. Now I'm gonna go get a bag in the apartment and then I'm gonna go to Target. Guys, I like my outfit today. You can't see, but I feel cute. I feel like I'm gonna run some errands. Okay, currently on the elevator. I'm going to go to Target. Jomar stayed, so I told him I will not be responsible for the things I buy without his supervision in Target. But I'm excited to have like a little girly Target time. I have no stress about getting anywhere quickly, so we have the time of our lives. And I'm excited to buy Miguel stuff for his birthday. So Laura, Frances, and I partnered up to celebrate Miguel's birthday today. Laura was hosting a bingo and we spoke to her to see if we can have like a little celebration for him because his birthday was on Monday and he had to work and he worked until like 8 p.m. and he turned 30 and I feel like that's a big birthday, so it needs to be celebrated. I love celebrating people's birthdays, so say no more. I'm your girl. Alright vlog, we made it to Atlantic Terminal. Let's go to Target and maybe I'll also go to Sephora because there are some lip stains that I want to look at from Summer Fridays. Also, I just saw Girl Scouts selling Girl Scout cookies. Aw. Every time I come here, it smells like Subway and it smells so good. I haven't had Subway in such a long time. Not today, my friend. Mother. Let's grab a basket. I don't like that one. Okay, first thing on the list is look for the party stuff. I'm looking for the theme section to see how we're gonna celebrate Miguel's birthday today. Okay, we made it to the character party section. Let's see what we end up picking. Okay, Frances helped me out and we're going with Harry Potter theme. It's so cute. I'm dead. This is so cute. A mini Target basket. Love. Okay, let's see if they have the dubs here or the bubs because we wanted Miguel to try them. So I'm gonna get them for him. Ooh, yes, here they are. I'm gonna get one for myself as well and one for Frances. I need them. Had to grab a card because I'm feeling overstimulated already. The basket's there. Okay, I also want to get a gift card from Ulta. And I think they should have it here, but I do not see it. Okay, they have these. This one, Fun and Fabulous, has Ulta, Nordstrom Rack, Adidas, and Jamba Juice. And this one says Happy Birthday, has Ulta, Taco Bell, Xbox, Domino's, Dave & Buster's, and Cinemark. I know he doesn't love Taco Bell, so I think I'm not gonna take that one and I'll take the Fun and Fabulous. I'll see if I can find something else. Yeah, this was the only one I could find with Ulta and I think this one's good. All done at Target. Let's go pay. I'll do an unboxing of what I got at home. Okay, all done at Target. It was popping. Now let's go to Sephora. A girl's happy place. This is what I was looking for. The lip stain. This is the danger zone. Wow, I ended up walking from Target back to the apartment because the weather feels so good. The sun came out and it feels so good to walk again. I'm so excited. Hey vlog, back at the apartment. Let me do a quick unboxing. A quick haul of what I got from Target. I got milk for Jomar. His favorite. The Fairlife. Huh? Yeah, I got gum because mine is out. Apparently this one's good because it has xylitol, so it helps with the whitening of the teeth as well. I got my favorite Morningstar Farms original sausage patties. They were on sale, 2 for $8, I think. So grab 2. Then I also got the Gardein plant ground beef. I've been looking for this and I found it at Target, so I got 2 as well. I love this to make like my taco salads or to make pasta with ground beef. Honestly, I think these are my 2 favorite brands for like protein faux vegan meats. So if you want to sponsor me, I'm here for you. And then I got the birthday stuff for Miguel. We ended up going with Harry Potter, so we got these plates. I got 2 because I don't know how many people are going. And then we got these napkins with the 4 houses. Is that how it's called? The 4 Harry Potter houses. Look at me knowing something about Harry Potter. And then And then I got the bugs, one for Miguel because he's never tried it, so it's part of his gift. One for Francis, and then one for our household. And last but not least, we got the gift card for Miguel for his birthday with the Ulta option. That's it, that's the haul. The weather was amazing. I loved walking over here, but now I'm all sweaty. So I think I'm gonna edit videos, do things around the apartment, and then I'll see you when we shower and get ready to go to Laura's place for the bingo night and Miguel's birthday. Oh, forgot to show you what I got at Sephora. I got the Summer Fridays Flushed Lip Stain in color Almond. It was the most neutral one that they had. Love how it looks. And then it's like there's a name for this type of, it's not velvet, felted. It's like felt. And then apparently you just line your lips and then with your finger you kind of diffuminate. So I'll show you whenever I use it. I don't think I'm gonna use it today, but I'm excited because I wanted to grab it and I was able to find it. So adding this to my little makeup bag. Oh, actually this reminded me, for today's bingo, I said that I was going to bring a couple of the Glow Recipe products that I got from the advent calendar because, as you may or may not know, I'm in my skin journey right now and I went to a dermatologist. I'm putting whatever they prescribed and I don't want to use anything with like fragrances, etc. due to my skin being more like acne prone. So if anyone that is at the bingo has better skin than me and can use these things, I want them to go to good use and I don't want them to expire or anything. So let's take a look at my little drawer here with all my extras and let's see. I think I'm gonna take these 2. This is the Glow Recipe Plump Plum Hyaluronic Cream. This is more of like a night cream, I believe. Dewy Moisture plus Plump. So I'm gonna bring this one and then I might bring this one as well. This is the Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. Oh, this is the night. AHA, no AHA, AHA. This is a night treatment. This one, I think it's just like a hyaluronic cream. And then what else do we have here? This is a little mist. I think I'm also gonna bring this one. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So this is more for like hydration and glowing radiance. So gonna bring that one. And then what is this? Oh, this is a toner. Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. I know I can't use toners because it basically dehydrates my skin. So I think I'm gonna bring those 4 things, and then I'll keep this mini moisturizer and dewdrops here. Just in case, because I can use it for gifts later. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna be bringing to the bingo as little gifts or prizes, I guess, to whomever wins. That's exciting. I'm excited for tonight. What's going on with this here? It's making me a little bit crazy. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do some laundry, gonna edit, going to make some food, and I'll see you after that. Bye. Hey vlog, I'm making lunch and I wanted to show you one of my favorite lunches slash dinners lately. So I grabbed salad. This is the avocado, let me show you. The avocado ranch salad kit from Trader Joe's. This, I use like their salad specifically. It has cabbage, green leaf lettuce, carrots, red cabbage, kale, green onions. So all of that goes into the bowl. Then my newest obsession, I can say, I think it is an obsession, and my newest finding is this vegan Caesar dressing from Gotham Greens. Whoa, I did not know how much I liked Caesar dressing until I tried that again. I mean, for the first time, but I haven't had Caesar dressing in so long because I've been vegan, and I never thought, I was more of like a vinaigrette girl or whatever. And then I went to Food Town a couple weeks ago and they didn't have any other vegan dressing other than the Caesar one. I was like, let me just try it out. I'll taste it. If I like it, good. If not, that's fine. And I don't think I'm going back to any other dressing. That dressing is amazing. It tastes so good. It does remind me of actual Caesar dressing, and it has some like peppery aftertaste. I love it. Honestly, that bottle just, it's done. So I need to go back to Food Town and find the dressing. I know that brand, they sell it at Whole Foods as well. So if you're interested, you can find it in Food Town. I mean, in Whole Foods. And then I kind of make myself like a little Caesar salad, but without the croutons. So now I put this chicken strips. These are the Morningstar Farms. Hello. These are the Morningstar Farms chicken strips. It has 25 grams of protein by the portion, and love that chicken. It's also sometimes hard to find. I find it either at Food Town, or that one I found at Ideal. That's another supermarket here in New York, but I'm sure you can find it wherever. I think Target also sells that brand. So wherever they sell that brand, that should have it. And then I pair that with a quesadilla with the vegan mozzarella cheese from Trader Joe's, and chef's kiss, best meal ever. And I down it all down with an Olipop of choice. But yeah, that's gonna be lunch. It's 4:14 right now, so I guess lunch slash dinner. I know we're gonna eat something else later, so we just had a late start to the day, as you know. Okay, so I'm gonna eat that, finish whatever I'm doing, and then get ready to go to the bingo for today. I'm excited. I'm ready to play my bingo. Buen provecho if you're also eating. All right, you guys. I don't really know what's going on up here, but we are getting ready to go to the bingo. I am gonna start putting everything inside of my bag, so I just wanted to show you what I'm taking because one, I'm taking Laura's housewarming gift because we couldn't go to her housewarming when she celebrated it because Jomar wasn't feeling good that day. So we got her a candle, but have not been able to give it to her yet. So we got this one from Target, Seagrass and Bergamot. I really like how it smells. Get a sniff. So I hope she likes it. So that goes inside the bag. I'm gonna use the bag that I got last weekend because I feel like everything's gonna basically fit inside of that. So that goes in. Then I'm gonna also put the bingo prices that I showed you earlier. That goes in here as well. And then we're gonna make some cookies as well. So I'm taking the cookie mix. This one's the one I got at Whole Foods, I think a couple videos ago. The renewal meal chocolate chip cookie mix. So that's going in. That only needs water and vegetable oil to make, so I'm just taking the vegetable oil with me. I'm gonna put it inside of this bag just in case. I do not want any dripping. Let me take the air off. All right, then I'm also gonna add Miguel's birthday celebration thingies. And then I need to find, I have our card from Laura that I need to fill out for her housewarming. And then this one's for Miguel for his birthday. This goes in here. I wanna find a little bag, if I have one, to just put this and this for Miguel. And then this is for Frances, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Let me see if I have a small bag. Okay, I do not have a small bag, so I'll just give it to him like this. So let me just write this down, and I need to leave soon. Laura made the cake. Vegan. Ay, qué bello, me encanta. Cumpleaños feliz. Los prices.
22. No, it's not.
¡Woo! Miguel, pick your prize.
Déjame ver la melodía.
Y en el 24.
71. Sí.
La fogata rápido para que...
Guys, it's 10:36 p.m. and we found a stray dog in our friend's apartment and we're trying to find its home, but we can't find anyone. Jomar and I remembered we don't have milk and tomorrow there's gonna be a blizzard, and we ended up at a grocery store at 11:30 p.m. and we're just browsing around anything we might need for tomorrow. We have a variety of coffee. I grabbed strawberries for $1.99 and my milk. I just looked online and they're open 24/7. That's crazy. We've been living close by for almost 2 years and that was our first time going in. Got my milk for tomorrow's coffee. Good morning vlog, happy Sunday. Let's make breakfast of champions. This is the before. Perfection. All right, you guys, this is the after. I look crazy. This is a lot. Let's see how much I eat. I feel like I spent so much time making this that I'm tired already and I don't want to eat it anymore. It's a burrito. I put avocado, part of the tofu scramble, and breakfast sausage in there. And then all the rest is here. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to eat it all, but TBD. I have some strawberries from the ones that we got yesterday at the store, and then my coffee. So I'm gonna sit here, watch this YouTube vlog, and eat it, and then I'll see you after. Bye. Buen provecho. Alright guys, I literally demolished that breakfast. It was so good. Now I gotta do a couple of things. There's a blizzard apparently outside. It hasn't started. Well, it started, but it's pretty mild at the moment. So today it's gonna be like an at-home Sunday, basically similar as last week, due to that. But we've had a very slow morning. Yesterday I went to sleep again at like 2 a.m. because I think we ended up leaving our friend's apartment around 11:30. We wanted to leave early, but because of the like stray dog or the lost dog in the apartment, we wanted to try and find her home, the doggy's home. We couldn't. I believe my friends left her in a place where she felt comfortable, the dog. So we thought that her home was close to that area of the apartment complex. So I think they left it there. My friend checked again this morning, and apparently the dog wasn't outside anymore. So hopefully her owners, I don't know if we should call them like that, her parents, her doggy parents, found her. It was strange because there was one apartment that had like the door not completely shut. It was like put together. So we were not sure if the dog just like came out of the apartment and then she couldn't go back in. We knocked the door, no one answered. My friends also called them through like the intercom thing that the apartment had. They didn't answer either. So we were really not sure what was going on. We spoke with the front desk security person. They were not able to help either. They ended up putting like a little paper in the door like, hey, there's a lost dog. If you've lost your dog, please contact I don't know who immediately. So that was the dog situation yesterday. Then we came home, we showered, and then I ended up watching a podcast. And that's what put me to sleep at 2 a.m. I was watching Piculín Ortiz. He's like a great basketball player for Puerto Rico, has a podcast called The Goat Cast, and he was interviewing David Bernier and Alexandra Fuentes. They're two personalities from Puerto Rico. She's like a producer, television host, and he was a former candidate for governor of Puerto Rico, and he's also like a dentist and all that stuff. And it was a fun podcast. So I was watching that and then ended up going to sleep at 2 a.m. Then today I was supposed to wake up at 6:30 because I wanted to have like a really long Sunday because I have a lot of things I have to do. But because I slept at 2 a.m. Went to sleep at 2 a.m., I said, you know what, I'm just gonna leave my body do its thing. So ended up waking up at 10 a.m. and then left the bed at 10:30. Made breakfast, all that stuff. It's currently 1 p.m. right now, and I have a to-do list and I haven't done anything. So today we're gonna focus on that to-do list, and honestly we're gonna do the things that takes us 10 to 15 minutes, but we just put them away because like yeah, like don't do them because mentally they feel like it's very uncomfortable or complicated, but they're actually not. So I gotta email my accountant, I gotta do some work stuff, and we're just gonna do that. And then later we're gonna go to the gym, and then the afternoon, well, it's already the afternoon, but later I just want to like do some editing, do needle pointing, chill, all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here. I'm currently at the office, on the office room. I'm gonna do some computer work, email some people, and then I'm also doing laundry. So I think I'm gonna just like change, go to the gym, then come back, shower, put my comfy little pink set on, and then conquer the afternoon. My hair is doing all sorts of things. Sorry that I was touching it so much. But yeah, I don't know. I'm liking the glasses, but there's a photo of me, and I'll see if I can find it. But there's a photo of me that these glasses remind me of. I was a little girl, and I just want to see if I find it. I'll put it on the screen. But it reminds me of that, so I think that's why it's giving me kind of like flashbacks. And it's not that I remember wearing those glasses. It's just that I remember the picture of me wearing those glasses, so that's what makes it funny. Also, I have to say, Frances gave us a little gift. And when I say little, I don't mean it like in a bad way, but she gave us a gift yesterday, and it was the most thoughtful, beautiful gift, and it's so cute. She got it made on Etsy, but you know, Frances is one of the 3 people that comprise the Mofongo book club. And she got us this beautiful bookmark. Let me show you. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, this is one of a kind. It has my name on it, Admit 1. This ticket gives you an entry to Mofongo Book Club, status lifetime member, and then Entre Libros y Cafecito, which is between books and coffee, which we love doing whenever we're having like a Mofongo Book Club meeting. And I just thought that was so thoughtful and beautiful, and I'm gonna put it on my book. That's another thing I need to continue doing today because I'm behind. Frances already finished the book. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Like, I look like a crazy person. And then Miguel, it's like halfway. So yeah, a lot of things to do. I've literally been talking your ear off. So let me do a couple of things and I'll connect with you in a little bit. And then if I find the picture, I'll show you. I hope you're having a good Sunday. Bye. All right, you guys, I have no idea how much time has passed since I last spoke to you. I sent the email that I needed to send out. I did some work that I needed to do. I put some clothes in the wash. I've been doing stuff. So now I got ready to go to the gym. I love that I love going to the gym, but it also takes time from other things that I need to do. So it's like, okay, where do I focus my time? Do I only do 30 minutes at the gym so that I can continue doing things at home? Or do I do the whole thing that I want to do? And then, because it's already 3 p.m. The day has gone by, and it's fully my fault because I was the one that went to sleep late and one that woke up late as well. So this is no one's fault but mine. And then the blizzard is in full force right now. It doesn't look that bad yet, but it is actively snowing. I don't know if you'll see. I don't think so. Oh, you can see down there. We're all cooped up over here. But yeah, let me go to the gym. Let me not waste more time. If there's no one at the gym, I'll take you with me. But if there's people, I won't be able to. Yeah, look how pretty these are. I love seeing them every day. They look so cute. All right. no more wasting time. Let's go to the gym. Back from the gym. I'm gonna shower, but today's workout was so much fun. It was called like no repeats, so we did every exercise just once for 16 reps each, and it was fun because you didn't get bored. You were doing things over and over. The only thing I didn't like is that after every exercise the coach would give you like 25-second rest, and sometimes I just want to continue. Like there's no need to take rest, and maybe that's on me that I need to maybe do heavier weights. But I hate like stopping. If I'm in the gym, I want to be like doing stuff, and then I don't know, I guess I'm used to like the high intensity training kind of vibe. So whenever I do like these types of workouts where you just like take a break after each exercise, I don't like it. So sometimes I just keep going. But let me show you. If you're new here, hi. I use the app Ladder, Ladder, and I'm with Coach Nicole under Team Move Well. And yeah, today was no repeats, so we just did exercise after exercise after exercise. As you saw, the gym wasn't too crazy, so I was able to record a couple of things for you guys. I hope you enjoy. But yeah, now I'm gonna shower. Oh my gosh, I also like for some reason felt some type of way and ran a mile. And I was scrolling through my Spotify and I found an old playlist that I had called Dale Play in Spotify, and there's one song that reminds me of my childhood so much, and it's just like so fun. Like it puts you in the best mood, and I feel like it's very empowering for women. And this song is an old one and I just love it. It's called, my sister, I think she knows this because I freaking love that song. I would put it on repeat. It's called Ella, Ella by Bebe. I don't know what this artist has done after this song, but to me this song is a freaking banger. Oh, she has 1.8 million monthly listeners in this year. This song, I just want to get the stats. I know there's something here in Spotify where you can see like the song credits or something. View song credits. but it doesn't tell me when this song came out. Anyways, it's an oldie but a goodie, so I think I'm just going to play it while I shower because it puts me in the best mood ever. And yeah, then we'll probably make something to eat. And I'm just looking at the time, it's 4:08, and then edit because we do have to edit. But my breakfast was so high protein, I feel like, that I'm not even hungry. So it held me over for almost 5 hours. That's amazing. But yeah. Also, I've been thinking if I should switch my vlogs to be in Spanish versus English. I don't know why, like, there is this identity issue that I'm having because, of course, I'm Puerto Rican, so we speak Spanish. The only reason I wanted to do my vlogs in English is, one, for me to practice English, because I know English, but as you may know, like I sometimes forget words, or I just want to be like faster in my English speaking and also like broaden my vocabulary if I can. So that's the reason why I did it in English. But then sometimes I think of things that are very funny in Spanish and I'm like, there's no way I can translate that to English for the vlog. So I think I might start just doing my vlogs Spanglish. Like if I have something to say in Spanish, I'll say it in Spanish. I don't know how that's gonna go, honestly. So if you have any recommendations, let me know what you would prefer. But yeah, that's something that has been on my mind lately. Okay, I'm gonna shower because it was a sweaty one today. Back to comfies. Oh my gosh, this is so cozy. Now I'm about to be horizontal over here for a little bit while I'm gonna see if I can call my mom and then edit, as I've said 100 times already. Take a shot every time I say I need to edit in a video. A ginger shot. We've already spoken about this. Anyways, okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh my gosh, this startled me. Oh, this emergency alert. Hey guys, it's been like 4 hours-ish since I spoke to you. The blizzard is in full force. Not sure if you'll see anything. Yeah, I edited a video, I had dinner, I read, I baked cookies. I'm gonna taste one of the cookies before we end off the vlog, just to see how good they are or not. I think Joma already threw away the brand, but it's the Renewal Mill upcycled chocolate chip cookie mix. That's what I made. Let's do a little taste test. I'm gonna grab this one. Guys, I need to look for lighting because I don't like the shadows that this apartment makes, especially in the kitchen area. So if you know about good like lighting for vlogging and stuff, please let me know. Okay, cheers. Not bad. But I wouldn't say it's my favorite chocolate chip cookie. At least they're crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. That's good. Yum. Perfect end to the day. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for spending the weekend with me. It's already 8:54, so I need to start getting ready to sleep because tomorrow's Monday, we gotta work. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, as I said. And if you're not subscribed, please consider it. I am trying to get to 500 subscribers this year, so it would mean the world if you find that content fun and interesting and you want to subscribe and be in the know of whenever I'm posting a video. So I would truly, really appreciate that. But with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Kisses!